Hey guys, I wanted to pop on and share the items that I picked up from the Stella Dot Summer collection. So good, as normal. I'm currently contemplating going back for more items because it's what I do. Can't help it. It's just that good. So I'm going to share all of the things that I picked up and why you need them in your life as well. Okay, maybe not that. But I'm going to share some goodies with you. And I actually recorded all of this yesterday and then managed to just totally mess up the intro when I was editing. And so I was like, just going to re-record it because ain't nobody got time for that. So you'll see in the next clip, I'm wearing a different outfit and different jewels. It's because it was a different day, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll talk to you later. First thing that I picked up are these earrings. These are called the Effie Drop earrings, and this is the first thing I wore. As soon as I opened my box, I literally wore these the very next day. So these have this really pretty wood balls, and then the top part of them is wrapped with this really pretty kind of champagne, peach toned champagne embroidery thread. And then the top that's right next to your ear is just completely wrapped in that. I'm not sure if that's picking up very well. Yeah, there we go. So these are super fun. I mean, they just give a little something extra that kind of look like acorns. My mom immediately was like, "Are you wearing acorns hanging from your ears?" So anyways, these are the Effie drops. So fun. Love those. Next up are the Roman chandeliers. They are available in this beautiful red color and a white. It has been a very long time since Stella Dot has come out with something that isn't a true red. They've come out with a lot of coral, a lot of corally orangey reds, but nothing that was true red. And my alma mater, the colors are cardinal and white, and so I have been waiting for like some fun jewelry to come out in a very true red. And that's exactly what these are. I was hoping, I was like crossing my fingers, they looked like they were a true red, and they do not disappoint whatsoever. So they're a really good scale, and they have these really fun tassels, this embroidery thread that's hanging off in just kind of a fringe way. And then I like these like beaded pieces that are hanging loose in between so that you get a lot of movement. So fun. Also available in white, which would look super summery, but I have to draw the line somewhere. So I went for the red because I needed to add more red into my accessories collection. Next up, oh, you guys, I just can't wait for it to be like 90 degrees outside because I feel like to do this next pair of earrings justice, it needs to be super summery, like shorts, espadrilles, you know, the whole 9 yards, like summer. These are the Nakoma earrings, and these are done in collaboration with Rebecca Minkoff, who I just love. I love everything that she does for Stella Dot. Never fail. So we have here this really beautiful, it's coming across very emerald on the screen, but in real life, this is very turquoise. I don't know, maybe even more green than turquoise. Bits of light blue and navy, shades of pink, and then there's these beads that are added in blue on one side, and the other side has pink, so each earring does have both of those colors. And then the stud is so fun. Well, it's not a stud, the part that goes next to your ear. But, I mean, just, these are like loud, vibrant, I mean, I'm like so stoked to wear these. These are probably my favorite thing from the collection. Even though I wore the Effie drops first, it's still like basically winter here. Like it snowed here 2 days ago. So anyways, can't wait to wear these for the summer. So that's it for earrings. Next up, I picked up one necklace, which is very surprising for me, but I have been in search of a really good staple silver necklace with a pendant. But I was looking for something that had a pretty substantial pendant on it. And so I found that in the Ulani necklace. So it's super long, silver chain, very like delicate chain, super long extender. Like look how long that extension is. You can make this thing so long. And this pendant, it's super shiny and it is heavy, guys. Like this is gonna feel like something around your neck. So if you are looking for that just like statement maker, like very simple, but like you just need to have a long layered necklace with your outfit to go with your earrings or whatever, I think that this is a great option. I typically wear, like if I'm looking for that in the gold variety, I almost always go to my Rebel pendant. And I could have picked this up in silver, but I've just been waiting for a different profile. And so I love this. I think this is a great option. If you had the Rebel and you don't have it anymore, this is a great option to pick up. Sorry, it's totally washing out the light. Moving on to the next subject, bracelets. First, most important one that I want to talk about is this year's Autism Awareness Bracelet. This is our Unity bracelet, and I really love the way that they've done this year. We have a bunch of beads here down the center. We have rainbow paired with this kind of like clear silver looking bead. Just super fun. Always love these pull cord bracelets because they just fit everybody. So if you don't know, Stella Dot pairs up with the Holly Rod Foundation every April for Autism Awareness Month. All of the proceeds for the Unity bracelets during the month of April will go to her foundation, which helps to support families who have been touched by autism. So I love that they do this. I love when the things that you buy have a greater purpose than just to make your outfit look good. So when you shop Stella Dot in the month of April, know that when you pick up these bracelets, which, I mean, this goes with everything. This is so fun. It's a perfect gift for everyone in your life. A great little option. These things are $19. Like you can pick one up for everybody in your life because they're just a great price point and they go with everything and they have such a great purpose. I know I keep saying like over and over the same thing, but it's a great opportunity and just so fun and colorful. And I love collecting these. Like I have them from all of the years that I've been buying Stella Dot, and so I love that I have like a little collection of all of my autism awareness bracelets. Okay, next up, going back to what I said earlier about adding more red to my wardrobe, I also had to pick up the Tabitha stretch bracelet. This is just a super simple little stretch bracelet, red and gold beads all the way around, and then you have this gold bar, which is like a hammered finish, and just such an easy piece. I thought that this would go really well with my the white bead. Now I can't think of what they're called. Can't think of their name. But the white beaded bracelets that I picked up from the spring collection. Just a great little way to add a little bit of color to those. So picked that up. That's the Tabitha stretch bracelet. The last bracelet I want to show is the Shea bracelet, which is a new cuff and ring combination. So the way that you wear this is you have a little ring that you can slip onto your finger that has a gold chain attached to it that, connects to this cuff. So both the ring and the cuff are a hammered gold finish, and then you have this really pretty gold chain that just hangs, and then you have a gold chain here that is also attached to the cuff. So really fun way to wear body jewelry if you're into body jewelry, or if you're not into body jewelry and you just like that kind of edginess of this ring. Stella Dot used to have another bracelet that was made the same way, but this is kind of a new updated version, and I love the addition of this little chain. Like it's just so dainty, but it just adds so much. So that is the Shea bracelet. And always make sure that you put your ring on first because it's impossible to get the ring on when you've got the bracelet already on. Just a little tip. Last thing I have to share with you. Oh my gosh, I have been like every spring and summer season, I'm like emailing Stella Dot saying, please come out with an anklet. I want an anklet. I love anklets. I've worn like all of my life, I've worn anklets, and everyone in my family wears anklets, and they finally delivered. This beauty is the Delicate Sina anklet, and it's just so simple, gold with these little bars all the way around, several places where you can connect to make sure that it fits your ankle, And there is just nothing, like, to me, summer is all about the anklet. I also love that this is like perfect for festivals, music festivals. I feel like people always wear like edgy, fun jewelry to festivals, and this is like perfect just to give you a little bit of glitzy shininess around your ankle. So, good job, Stella and Dot, for finally coming out with an anklet, because I love it. So, I want to make sure that's everything. That is everything. Woohoo! That is everything I picked up from the summer collection. Guys, there are so many things that I did not get that are out there. New hat, sunglasses, a ton of new bags, a ton of new tops, some new dresses, which is new to the Stella and Dot family. So many great things for summer. If you are looking for something to pick up your summer wardrobe, check it out, because everything is just so summery and bright and fun. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my little haul, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!